Hello friends, till the last class we have seen the collinearity and the coplanar of the vectors. So this was the summary of our last class. So this is what is very important. So if the linear combination of two vectors is equals to 0, then we say it is the collinear vectors, and if the linear combination is not equals to 0, then we have the coplanar vectors. See here, this is equals to 0 and this is not equals to 0. These two terms are same, ma bar plus nb bar equals to 0 and m. If it is 0 vector, then we have collinear. If it is r vector, or you can say the non-zero vector, then it is a coplanar vector. So these are the first two. The second two we have seen that the linear combination is again, if of the three vectors is equals to 0, then we have coplanarity. Okay, and if it is not equals to 0, then we have non-coplanar. So in all these four, only the first one talks about the collinearity of the two vectors. बाकी के सब जो है ना वो कोप्लेनर के लिए कंडीशंस है. Okay, so if the linear combination of two vectors is not equals to 0, that is r bar, then it is coplanar. If three vectors का linear combination equals to 0, then we have coplanar. If it is again not equals to 0, then these are the non-coplanar vectors. Okay, so please make sure that you are understanding this concept. So with this we'll solve the exercise 5.1 first question. So let's see the first question. Okay, let's have rules here, grid lines, and here the rules. Yes, so let's see, the first question is exercise 5.1. Show that the following points are collinear. So we have to show that the following points are collinear. So point A is 3 comma 2 comma minus 4, B point is 9 8 minus 10, 9 8 and minus 10, and C point is it's a minus 2 minus 3 and 1. So these are the 3 points. We have to show that these 3 points are what? Collinear. Okay, points A, and what is the condition for collinearity is the linear combination should be equals to 0, or you can say the vector should be the scalar multiple of each other. Okay, so let's find out the vectors associated with these points. So let's a bar is equals to what? It is 3i plus 2j minus 4k. B bar is equals to what? It is 9i plus 8j minus 10k, and C bar is equals to minus 2i minus 3j and plus k. So these are the three position vectors of the given points ABC. So let's find out the AB bar. AB bar is equals to what? It is B bar minus A bar, which is nothing but 9 minus 3 is 6i, 8 minus 2 is again 6i plus 6j minus 10 plus 4 becomes minus 6k. Okay, so ये हो गया मेरा AB bar. Let's find out the AC bar then. So AC bar is equals to, it is minus 2 minus 3, it is minus 5i, which is C bar minus A bar. So it is nothing but minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5i, minus 3 minus 2 again becomes minus 5j, and we have 1 minus minus plus 4k plus 5k. Okay, so this is AB bar and AC bar. So let's see what is the scalar multiple we have in these two. Okay, so as we have to show that there is a scalar multiple of these two vectors, so that's why these points becomes the collinear points. So let's see. So AB bar is equals to some constant scalar multiple. So let's take the scalar multiple, t ले सकते हो, m ले सकते हो, आपका नाम भी ले सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम. It is equals to AC bar. Okay, AB bar equals to m into AC bar. So let's find out that scalar factor. Okay, so AB bar कितना है? It is 6i. It is 6i plus 6j minus 6k. It is equals to m into minus 5i minus 5j and plus 5k. Okay, so take 6 common from this factor, I plus j minus k equals to, so take minus 5 common here. Okay, so minus 5 common here. So from the second vector take the minus 5 common here. So minus 5 I plus j minus k. Now if you compare these two vectors, what is the value of m is? M is nothing but minus 5. Okay, what is the m is? M is equals to minus 5, but I want the LHS should be equals to RHS. So take that 6 on this side, So you have I plus j minus k equals to minus 5 by 6 I plus j minus k. Once you get these two vectors, so this vector and this vector same, then we say that this is the scalar multiple of these two vectors. As this vector and this vector are same with the scalar multiple of minus 5 by 6, m is equals to minus 5 by 6, what you can say, the given vectors a bar, b bar and c bar are what? Collinear vectors. As the vectors are collinear, the points will definitely becomes the collinear points. Okay, so what is the conclusion is, the points are collinear with the scalar factor of minus 5 by 6. The points are collinear, a b c points are collinear with the factor minus 5 by 6. Is it okay? Very good. So no worry, कोई स्टूडेंट ऐसा भी सॉल्व कर सकता है कि सर कैन आई टेक द ए सी बार इज इक्वल्स टू एम इंटू ए बी बार. यस यू कैन एब्सोल्युटली. सो इन दैट केस योर फैक्टर विल बी सम अनदर. उस केस में क्या आएगा, माइनस 6 by 5 आ सकता है आपके. okay, if you take the that AC bar is equals to m into AB bar, so in that case your factor will be AC bar is equals to m into AB bar. If you take this case, then your m becomes what? Inverse of this, so we will be having m is equals to minus 6 by 5. No worries, what is important is you have to show that this vector and this vector same with some common scalar multiple, then we say that the points are collinear points. Very good, I hope it is clear now. Okay, second question. So from the first we have the second question. So इसको रोमन में दिखाते हैं, first second. Okay, so the points are what? P is equals to P in bracket 4 5 2 Q is equals to 3 to 4 3 comma 2 comma 4. R is equals to you have 5 8 0 5 comma 8 comma 0. So same thing, अभी वहाँ पे ABC दिया था, यहाँ पे PQR दिया है. क्या करना है फिर अभी? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट द पोजीशन वेक्टर्स. पी बार निकालो. सो पी बार इज इक्वल्स टू कितना आ गया, 4i प्लस 5j प्लस 2k. क्यू बार कितना है, क्यू बार इज इक्वल्स टू 3i प्लस 2j प्लस 4k. एंड आर बार कितना है, आर बार इज इक्वल्स टू 5i प्लस 8j 0k. सो ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट द पी क्यू बार. पी क्यू बार इज नथिंग बट क्यू बार माइनस पी बार, विच इज नथिंग बट 3 minus 4 it is minus I, 2 minus 5 is minus 3j and 4 minus 2 is plus 2k. ये हो गया मेरा पी क्यू बार. फाइंड आउट द पी आर बार. सी हाउ आई एम फाइंडिंग द वेक्टर्स. ओके, एक पॉइंट इनिशियल पॉइंट इज अ कॉमन पी क्यू एंड पी आर. सो इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो यू हैव ऑब्जर्व दैट दिस ए पॉइंट एंड ए पॉइंट आर सर इनिशियल पॉइंट्स आर सेम है. ओके, इनिशियल पॉइंट अगर आप अलग अलग लोगे ना तो आपका आंसर नहीं आएगा. Okay, so you have to take, see the concept is what, suppose this is what your plane is and suppose you have these 3 points, so it is A, this is B and this is C. Okay, so what you are finding, you are finding AB bar and you are finding AC bar. Okay, then it becomes very easy to show that these two vectors are scalar multiple of each other. Okay, so in this case, in this particular case, the points will be like, these points will be the collinear points. So यहाँ पे A रहेगा, यहाँ पे B रहेगा, यहाँ पे C रहेगा. So this is AB bar, A, B and C. This is AB bar and this whole thing is what? It is a AC bar. Okay, so you will get the scalar multiple of each other. So PR bar will क्या आएगा, R bar minus P bar. So R bar कितना है भाई, 5, 5 minus 4 it is I. Then you have 8 minus 5 it is plus 3j and you have 0 minus 2k it is minus 2k. Now if I take the common from this PQ bar minus 1, if I take common, so it is I plus 3j plus 2k. Okay, and if I compare with this PR bar, what you will get, I plus 3j minus 2k. Now if I compare these two equations, what is the scalar quantity you can say, that is minus 1 is my scalar multiple. So in this case how you will write, PR bar is equals to minus 1 into PQ bar. Okay, so as the vectors are scalar multiple of each other, these points are what? Co-linear points. Very simple. Okay, that's it. What is the second question? Come to the second question. Second question is, if the vectors, okay, if the vectors क्या है, 2i minus qj plus 3k and 4i minus 5j plus 6k are collinear, then find the value of q. then q कितना है भाई? अभी देखो वो खुद से बोल रहे कि these points are collinear points, means what? there has to be some scalar multiple in between these two vectors. So we have to find out that scalar multiple is. So let's find out. So you have, let's name this as a bar and let's name this as a b bar. Okay, so a bar is equals to some scalar multiple into b bar. So let's find out that scalar multiple is. So how to find out? In the board exam, how you have to route. So this is because the given vectors are collinear, that's why we have written that they are scalar multiple of each other. Okay, so how we will write? 2i minus qj plus 3k equals to m into bracket 4i minus 5j plus 6k. Is it okay? So bracket close. Next, if the two vectors are same, then there should be the same coefficients of I, j, k. So let's have that coefficient. So 2i minus qj plus 3k, it is equals to 4mi minus 5mj plus 6mk. Okay, as the vectors are same, you simply equate 4m is equals to 2, qm is equals to 5m and 3m is equals to 6m. Sorry, 3 is equals to 6m. So from this comparison what you can say, 4m is equals to अगर 2 रहेगा, so m कितना गया बॉस? m आ गया 2, सॉरी m आ गया मेरा 1/2. It is m is equals to 1/2. Is it okay? Now you substitute m is equals to 1/2 in this j coefficient. So what is j coefficient is? Minus q is equals to minus 5m. So q कितना हो गया भाई? q हो गया 5 into 1/2, which is nothing but 5/2. That's it. This is my answer. Is it okay? So q is equals to 5/2. It's very very simple. Good. Next question. Question number 3. See, this topic is very simple, provided that you should understand ये वाला concept. So this concept I have discussed in detail in my previous video. Please go through that video if you have not understood. We will be solving each and every question based on these 4 points only from the exercise 5.1. Okay, so the question number 3. Let's write down. Question is what? A bar and b bar are non-collinear vectors. Okay, a bar and b bar are non-collinear vectors. Collinear, non-collinear vector means what? They are not scalar multiple of each other. Okay, vectors. Okay, if c bar is equals to x minus 2 a bar plus b bar and d bar is equals to 2x plus 1 a bar minus b bar are collinear. Okay, a and b collinear नहीं है, but the linear combination of a and b is a collinear, ऐसा बोल रहे वो. c bar and d bar are collinear. Then find the value of x. Then x is equals to what? Okay, very simple question. ठीक है. सी यहाँ पे सी बार एंड डी बार, सी जस्ट बाय इंट्रोड्यूसिंग दिस स्टेटमेंट उन्होंने थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन बढ़ाया स्टूडेंट्स का, बट वी ऑल आर वेरी स्मार्ट स्टूडेंट्स, विल नॉट get trapped in this statement. So what we'll directly use here c bar is collinear with d bar. Okay, implies what you can write, c bar is equals to m into d bar. Means what? These two vectors are scalar multiple of each other now because they are collinear. Okay, so now use the same second question. What we have done, if two vectors are same, then we have directly equated their ijk coefficients. So write down c bar. C bar is what? It is x minus 2 a bar plus b bar, it is equals to m into d bar कितना है? 2x plus 1 a bar minus b bar. Okay, now open the bracket. What you will get? So x minus 2 a bar plus b bar, if these two vectors are equal, then Now equate the coefficients of a bar and b bar. That is 2x plus 1 m a bar minus b bar. Okay, now equate the coefficient of a bar and b bar. So what you will get? See, x minus 2 is equals to x plus 1 into m, एंड b बार का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? ये 1 है. b बार का कोएफिशिएंट इज 1, सो 1 इज इक्वल्स टू -1. ओके, मीन्स व्हाट? Okay, so this should be okay. Here we should have the m. Okay, so this is minus, ये पूरा ब्रैकेट रहेगा ऐसा. So this is equals to minus m into b bar. Okay, so from the coefficient of b, what you can say is 1 is equals to minus m. तो m कितना गया भाई? m आ गया मेरा -1. m आ गया -1. So from the coefficient of a bar, how you can write? That is x minus 2 is equals to 2x plus 1 into -1. That is m की वैल्यू क्या है? -1 है. So let's open this. So x minus 2 is equals to minus 2x minus 1. Minus 2x equals to -1. So you take this 2x in this side. So minus 2x plus 2x हो गया. 2x plus 1x is 3x. ओके, ये -2 को इधर लेके आओ, +2 हो गया. सो +2 - 1 इज 1. सो x कितना है बॉस? x इज +1/3. वेरी सिंपल बॉस. x कितना गया? 1/3. दैट्स इट. दे आर आस्किंग फॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ m ओनली, सॉरी x ओनली. सी, तो x इज व्हाट? इट इज 1/3. वेरी सिंपल. वी हैव टू मेक यूज ऑफ ओनली दोज 4 पॉइंट्स. कोलिनियर, कोप्लेनर. कहाँ पे कोलिनियर रहेंगे, कहाँ पर नॉन कोलिनियर रहेंगे? कोप्लेनर और नॉन कोप्लेनर. Okay, check for the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Check whether the vectors. Okay, check whether the vectors 4i plus 13j minus 18k is a linear combination of vectors I minus 2j plus 3k and 2i plus 3j minus 4k. Okay, we have to show that the given first vector is the linear combination of the two vectors. We have to verify that. Okay, check whether this is true or not. Okay, this type of question we have already seen while we were we were looking the concept. Okay, so let's name these vectors. So let's say this is our r vector. So let r vector is equals to given vector 4i plus 13j minus 18k. A bar is equals to first vector I minus 2j plus 3k, and b bar is equals to 2i plus 3j minus 4k. We have to check that proof. क्या प्रूफ करना है आपको? r bar is equals to ma bar plus nb bar है क्या, ये चेक करना है अपने को. ओके, सो लेट्स हैव that is 4i plus 13j minus 18k, it is equals to m into I minus 2j plus 3k plus n into 2i plus 3j minus 4k. Is it okay? So vectors are same, equal, so equate their ijk coefficients. So equating, so I will write down directly, equating coefficients of I, j, k. So what you will get? First coefficient is what? It is 4 is equals to mi plus 2n. Okay, so 4 is equals to m plus 2n. See here, this 4i is equals to what? M into I plus 2ni. So I am taking the coefficients only. So 4 is equals to m plus 2n. Similarly, think for this second one. 13 is equals to what? Minus 2m plus 3n. Okay, so 13 is equals to 13 is equals to take a blue one. So 13 is equals to minus 2m plus 3n. Okay, and what about the next? Minus 18 is equals to 3m minus 4n. Okay, these three equations, and you have only two variables m and n. So use any two equations to find out the value of m and n. So first equation, second and third, use any two equations, find the value of m and n, and substitute in the third equation. Okay, so let's try to solve the first two equations. So what we'll do, we will directly multiply the first equation by 2. So first equation by 2 becomes 8 is equals to 2m plus 4n. Okay, and it is second equation is 3m is equals to minus 2m plus 3n. So if I add these two, cancel हो गया, ये 13 and 8 होगा 21 equals to ये कितना हो गया भाई 7n. Okay, so implies n is equals to what 3, 7 3 21. Okay, so n is equals to 3 आ गया. So if n is equals to 3, substitute n is equals to 3 in the first equation. So 4 is equals to m plus 2 into 3 is 6, implies m is equals to what? It is minus 2. Minus 6 plus 4, m is equals to minus 2. Now substitute m and n in equation 3, and if it satisfies, then we say the linear combination is there. Okay, so it is minus 18 is equals to 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into 3, which is equals to minus 6 minus 12, which is equals to minus 18. So minus 18 equals to minus 18. As LHS is equals to RHS, therefore linear combination exists. ठीक है, अभी सर एग्जिस्ट कभी नहीं होगा. If you find out the value of m and n, if suppose in this case only, if after substitute the value of m and n, if this is not equals to अगर case आया, then we say there is no linear combination of these two vectors. Is it okay? I hope it is clear now. Good. Next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. If I j k, I plus j plus k, so it is I minus j plus k and 2i plus 3j plus mk are coplanar vectors. Then what we have to find out? Then find the value of m. m कितना है? For what value of m these vectors are coplanar? ऐसा question पूछा है. Now coplanar means what? You have two cases. You have two options here to show. Either you show one vector is the linear combination of other, or you can find out the three scalar multiples where addition is equals to 0 vector. Okay, understanding what I am telling is, suppose you name these vectors. Suppose this is a bar, this is b bar, and this is c bar. Okay, you show that first option you can have is c bar is equals to ma bar plus nb bar. Okay, you can have this option, or the second option is what? You find out the xa bar, yb bar and zc bar and show this is equals to 0 bar. Okay, means you can use any of these two vectors approaches. Is it okay? So what we'll do, we will find the value of m with the help of the first approach. We will say that the linear combination of these two vectors is the third vector, so that this is the theorem number 2. Okay, the linear combination of vectors is the third vector. Then the cases is what? The vectors are coplanar vectors. So let's make use of that. So let's delete these two here. Okay, so here let's, as given vectors are coplanar vectors as given vectors are coplanar vectors, we can write C bar is equals to M A bar plus N B bar. Okay, C bar is equals to M A bar plus N B bar. So what we'll do here, we will use some another scalar quantities because the question itself has the value of M. So थोड़ा confuse हो जाएगा. So that's why what we'll do, we'll use the X and Y. X A bar and Y B bar are the scalar multiple. Okay. So let's equate the vectors now. C bar is equals to 2i plus 3j plus mk, 2i plus 3j plus mk. This is equals to X A bar is what? It is X into I plus j plus k plus y into it is I minus j plus k. Now what? Vectors are same, then equal means what? Equate the coefficients of I j k. So I j coefficient क्या क्या होंगे? It is 2 is equals to, it is x plus y, x plus y. Then 3 is equals to it is x minus y, x minus y. And the m is equals to what? You have x plus y only, x plus y only. It is m is equals to x plus y only. Now if you observe the equation number 1 and 3, no need to open or no need to solve these simultaneous equations also, because x plus y is equals to 2 and x plus y is equals to 3. These are the two equations, 1 and 3 equations. So what you can say, m की वैल्यू कितनी है बॉस? m की वैल्यू 2 है ना. As equation 1 and 3 RHS is same, therefore m is equals to what? It is 2 only. That's it. This is the value of m. For this value of m, the vectors are coplanar vectors. Is it okay? Very simple. Okay, so we will see one more question here. So question number 6. If A bar, B bar and C bar, then find the scalars m and n such that C bar is equals to M A bar plus N B bar. It's very simple. The same question. See, the concept is same. Just वो क्या कर रहे हैं भाई, अलग अलग numbers दे रहे. A bar equals to this, B bar is equals to 2i minus j plus k, C bar is equals to 3i minus k. So I request every one of you, please stop this video and you just try to get the values of m and n. Okay, then question क्या बोल रहा है कि then find scalars m and n such that C bar is equals to M A bar plus N B bar. So this is the total question. Okay, so I request every one of you, please pause this video and you just compute the values of m and n and let's verify whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, so I hope you have solved this question and you get the value of m and n. And now let's verify. Given is what? C bar is equals to M A bar plus N B bar. Okay, substitute the value of C bar. It is 3i minus k equals to m into I plus j minus 2k plus n into 2i minus j plus k. Okay, now vectors are equal means equate their coefficients. So I चा coefficient it is 3 equals to I का coefficient यहाँ पे कितना है? m है. यहाँ पे कितना है? 2n है, plus 2n. j is what? It is 0 here. j कितना है यहाँ पे? It is m, यहाँ पे minus n. Okay, and k कितना है? -1. It is equals to यहाँ पे -2m and यहाँ पे रहेगा plus n. Okay, so these are the three equations you have, 1, 2 and 3. So from the second equation, what you can observe here is the value of m and n are same. From second equation, m is equals to n, you can have m is equals to n. Now substitute m is equals to n in any one of the equations. So let's substitute in the first equation. So what will get? 3 equals to m plus 2m, which is equals to 3m. So m कितना गया? m is equals to what? 3 by 3, which is equals to 1. So m is 1, therefore n is also equals to 1. So for m is equals to n is equals to 1, the C bar is equals to M A bar plus N B bar is true. Okay, I hope your answer is correct here. Okay, that's it for this video. We will solve the remaining questions in the next video. Thank you.